When a scheduled cleaning work order is created in OnKey, the work order is assigned to a member of the cleaning team who receives a push notification on their Field Engineer app. Once the work order is synchronized to the app can be used in offline mode. When the user opens the work order, the Start button is pushed, which updates the status of the work order to In Progress. The user can then step through all the individual cleaning tasks, marking them as complete. As the work progresses, the user can also add additional notes on any of the individual tasks where needed. Once all the tasks are complete, the overall work order feedback is entered and the work order is submitted, removing it from the user's device. The user does not have to enter labor records manually upon completion of the work order, as the Start and Submit actions automatically fills in the correct labor records.